For the last 1 to 1.5 years, I have made this conscious decision that I'll just put herbal products and organic products on my skin. Some chemicals you just cannot avoid, but I have tried to minimize putting all those nasty chemicals on your skin, just for the sake of looking good, or looking glowy for just temporary amount of time, which is not really doing anything to your skin. Also, I believe the your skin will glow brighter more from inside if you take like good healthy food, you exercise, you drink lots of water. I totally go by that. So without much delay, I would like to share with the products that have worked for me, and also I do a lot of research before zeroing on the products that I am ready to put on my skin. Of course, washing my face, and for that I use this Forest Essential face wash that I've got, and it's called the Delicate Facial Cleanser, Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this the price of this is 325, but the amount is really small. It's 50 ml, and but I mean, you do not need a lot of products. It really goes for a long time, and it has all, all herbal ingredients like marigold flower extract, and kumud flower extract, rose flower extract, like that. So the smell is also very mild. So the moment you put it, you know that it's all natural. So I didn't want to spend a lot on a bigger product because these are really expensive. So I wanted to try a smaller piece, and then if it works for me, then I would go for a larger one. So I do not expect a lot from my face wash. Anyway, my skin is on the dry side, so I do not like face washes, which makes you feel really your skin is dry. I do not like those kind of products. So yeah, these products do not make you feel your skin go dry. So I quite like this one. So this is called Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. Okay, and this is a skin therapy oil, and it has vitamin E in it. It's meant only for face. So Palmer's also has a body oil and a face oil, and I have taken this face oil. So one thing that I have realized is, guys, I love putting oil on my face. Okay, because you want to moisturize your skin. Oils mostly do not contain any chemicals, and I have heard from my mother that the more moisturized you keep your skin, you will go a long way. Like, you will not get wrinkles. I have seen my mother, like my mother has beautiful oily skin, and now she's like 60 above, and she hardly has any wrinkles on her face. And maybe like 5-10 years ago though, she's even more had a very glowy and beautiful skin. And she always told me that she minimized use of any chemicals, and she just put basic creams that would not break her out, and she would always keep her face oily. She would just lather oil on her face. But I'm not blessed with oily skin, so I always try to, I just love the look of those glowy skin. I don't like, the matte makeup which makes you look so dry. I do not like that. So I always go for oils or oil based creams, and oil is like the purest form. And some natural oils also you can use, like jojoba, argan oil. I have used all of them as well. But one more thing that I find with such oils, if you use those raw oils, they seem a bit thick for my skin. Like, I do not feel very comfortable. I know they're doing wonders for your skin, but I do not feel nice putting such thick oils. They don't break you out. The oils that are totally meant for your skin, like argan oil and jojoba oil, they don't break you out, but again, they feel thick. So I find that these facial oils, they are a bit lighter, and they work the same way. And also, like, a number of oils are mixed with it. So for this one, it has retinol as well, cocoa butter, vitamin C, all those goodness is there in this particular oil. So ingredients maybe I'll put down in my video what all oil it is made up of. It's not mentioned in this bottle, but out the packaging has it. And of course, you know, it doesn't have any parabens or any nasty chemicals. That's the best thing about most of the products of Mama's that I have used. I swear by this product line, Mama's. If you have not used it, you should really use it. And also I just don't go crazy about the price, you know, like I cannot spend above 2000. So 2000 is my threshold mostly, unless that something that I'm not getting in India, I have to outsource it somewhere from outside, and you cannot get anything below 2000, then max 2500. After that, okay, if I'm not having my skincare, that is also fine, but I won't go beyond that. Vitamin C is really good for your skin, and what I've seen the trend is that cheaper vitamin C's are not good for you. Like if you go by, I go by googling the top vitamin C serums that you can find in the world, like the best ones, and all of them, whenever I search their prices, they're like all on the expensive side. So I'm not sure the cheaper ones that are available on Amazon or Nykaa, what they are made up of. Like how can they be so cheap when the good brands are coming at such a price? So I googled those international brands, and the one that I could afford is this OZ Natural. Okay, it looks like this. It consists of vitamin C 20 might be the percentage, I'm not sure, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, rosehip, green tea, loads of things, and it's 30 milliliter, and the price I will put down, but I think it's around 2000, guys. So yeah, this is around 2000, or max between, I think, 2000 to 2500. I don't go beyond that. And the ingredients, it has some chemicals, but they are not the harmful ones, and mostly it has all herbal extract along with the vitamin C. Of course, you cannot use 100% concentrated vitamin C. That's not good for your skin. I don't think it's made in Canada, and I just love this product. Also, like you cannot put, you know, a lot of vitamin C drops, and it's not like a cream, then your skin will you cannot do that. So you have to use 2-3 drops along with your cream. I do it, and also you have to see the ingredients of your cream. So if you're using it in oil, it's really fine because your oil does not contain any nasty ingredients. So I always mix this too and apply during night time. Also, I heard that you should not, you know, use vitamin C before going out in the sun. Now that I'm anyway working from home, yeah, my office still is allowing working from home. So and so I can use it in the morning as well. And if this is an under eye gel by Soultree. So, you know, for under eye cream, what I feel comfortable is like it should be light, it should feel like a gel. I don't want to put a lot of cream under my eyes. I don't want something very heavy under my eyes. So this gel, the Soultree under eye gel, it's very soothing. It's pomegranate and almond oil, and it's mentioned it's for oily to combination skin. So as I told you, my skin is not like very dry, so I can call it self oily to combination to dry skin. And of course, Soultree is like a totally organic and herbal brand, so you will hardly find any nasty chemicals in it. So I'll tell you what it contains. It's mentioned it doesn't contain parabens, SLS, SLES, which is really good to hear. Its price is around 575 rupees, and it consists of green leaf tea, witch hazel, pomegranate, caffeine, almond oil, all these things which will help reduce dark circle and wrinkles as well. So I'm not very regular, to be very honest. I have a very hectic office life, so sometimes it can be like 2 times also a week, 2 to 3 times a week, when I feel so tired and I don't do a night care routine. I just go and lie down. I do not have any energy left to do any skincare routine. So I do not know, if you do it consistently, maybe you will see results with on dark circle. And I tend to get a lot of dark circle because of some of my bad habits as well. I'm not a early sleeper. I always sleep late, so that might be one of the reasons. Yeah, and you know, I work on the computer throughout the day. Of course, there is office stress and all, so that might be one of the contributing factor. But as a feel of the product, I just love it. And also sometimes I hear that you don't need a separate under eye gel or cream for your eyes. Your cream can very well serve that purpose, but as I told you, I don't use a lot of creams. I just use oils. And what I've seen is that if you put a lot of oil around these areas, maybe it works wonder for your skin, but what happens is it slowly drips into your eyes, and that time my eyes just burns like hell. Like I cannot open my eyes. I tend to feel sleepy. My eyes gets really irritated. So I avoid putting oil around my eye area, and instead I put this under eye gels. Here back, this is Avène Rich Compensating Cream. This cream is so lovely, guys. I can tell you, like, I have never felt so luxurious after applying anything. Like when I first got this, oh my god, when I first applied this, I said, okay, a cream can make you feel like this. I never knew it. And after that, if I had to apply a cream, I have to go by this, okay? I just cannot. I got this brand, okay? I won't name that brand. So many YouTubers put their ads for that particular brand. So not very expensive and not very cheap as well. It's something around in the mid-range, and the bottles look quite cute. So I thought that, okay, the YouTubers are raving about it, let me get it. And when I got it, and when I applied it, oh my god, it made my skin feel so dry as if I was applying some cheap creams. And I thought, okay, I have wasted 500 rupees for that. I wish I would have put that 500 to some good products, you know. So this is not very cheap. This is around 2000 rupees. As I told you, I have a threshold around that. But this is like a one-time buy. It goes on for months, and you are sure that you're not wasting that 2000 rupees. That 500 rupees was wasted. So yes, this is something I totally love. It was 50 milliliter, and it's around 2100, as I told you. But you know what, there are certain chemicals which I'm not very sure whether it's good for your skin or not. That's why temporarily I have stopped using it. But once in a while, when you really want that luxurious feeling of cream, I would totally go for it. And yeah, you just can totally buy it for once. You see the ingredients, if you are comfortable with it, just go for it. This is the best feeling of a cream that I've ever seen. Guys, you know, I have very thin lips. Like my skin of my lips are very thin, so they get cracked very easily. So like even in summers I have chapped lips, not very, and in winter though the condition deteriorates to some other level. So I need some good products for my lips. So what I found was this Juicy Chemistry. This is a lip scrub, and it's amazing. This is like so amazing, I cannot tell you. This particular one is blood orange and rose hip, and now the Juicy Chemistry has become quite famous. But I first started using it, I think 2 to 3 years back, that time, or maybe 3 to 4 years back. That time it was just launched, and I loved it. Like you can just totally feel how natural it is, and the smell is like orange, as if you are having orange sitting here. The smell is so refreshing, so natural, and it's just some it's I think sugar or salt. That I'll have to check, but I think it's sugar scrub, and it totally feels that way, like no chemicals has gone inside if you put it. And the best thing is, like during the summers, the easy thing is, like if you're feeling your lips are chapped, you can just put it. It's so moisturizing, and you keep it for 5-10 minutes and then rub it with a soft towel, face towel, or like a wet cloth. um, I don't do this with a wet cloth because then it removes the oil, and then the granules will be removed, your dead skin will be removed, but you will be left with that moisturizing feeling, totally oily feeling on your lips, totally moisturizing feeling, and you won't need any lip balm after that. But in the winters, of course, I live in Delhi, it's very cold and very dry, so I like to top it off with some other lip balm, some natural lip balms that I'm currently using. Maybe if you are interested, my natural skincare that I have made for myself is the first time I did, I can share that also with you. So that's pretty much all about the products that I use for my skincare routine. Let me know in the comments below what kind of herbal or organic products that you use and that have worked wonders for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye bye.